Leo was a perfectly normal boy, except for one very sticky problem. One morning, Leo realized that everything he touched simply wouldn't let go. It started with his toothbrush, then his spoon. By breakfast, Leo looked like a walking junk drawer. Oops, sorry, Barnaby. He tried to pet his cat, but suddenly he was wearing a very grumpy, furry mitten.
Leo, honey, please don't touch the fridge. We don't want any more sticky fingerprints. I didn't touch it, Mom, I promise. The fridge, it just leaped at me. Ugh, why is this thing stuck? Get off, get off!
At the park, disaster struck. The balloons for little Maya's birthday party were floating away.
Oh no! My balloons! Don't worry, Maya. I've got this. My hands are ready.
The wind was too fast for the adults to catch the strings. "I've got this!" Leo shouted. Leo didn't even have to grab them. As the strings whisked by, they clicked right onto his sticky palms. He walked back to the party, trailing the balloons behind him like a colorful cape.
And I found the dessert. Safe and sound.
By bedtime, the magic had faded. Leo learned that being stuck can sometimes be the best way to help a friend. So if you feel a little different today, don't worry. You're exactly where you need to be. Sleep tight, little hero.